heavy. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen,
अरे इधर आ जाओ ना तुम।
so you are all enjoying this moment, and we are just going to start drama,
घुमा जो ना कैमरा मैन।
which is
इसमें आवाज आ रही है।
which is hello दोनों ठीक ही है okay which is यमराज बना डॉन
Make sure that because this drama will be presented in English itself, and you have to understand, right? Some of the point we will use Hindi word as well, so that you will be able to understand that what is the theme of this drama.
Banadon. Yum is second to none. Whenever the boat of life starts to sink, Yamraj guides it the way. There is many obstacles in this world, and on top of all that, there is this petty family,
बहुत ज्यादा है।
a mere earth being full of earthly desire, came into Yamraj's life. She didn't come alone. She came with a small, cute gift. The condition of the office is also no less than that of the house. The overqualified messenger, Chitragupta, always does some miracle to prove his worthiness.
कैमरा से हटो आगे।
There is only one thing in Yamraj's foot, which is life, death and life. Other gods may be very popular in this world, but Yamraj is also second to none. So, in this story, or we can say in this drama, we are going to see how Yamraj is going to take the soul of a mere earthly being who thinks he is on top of everyone. No one can touch him. So let me invite all the characters of the first scene of our drama.
यमराज बना डॉन
The name of the characters are Bhai Don, Chaman Lal, Magan Lal, Neptya, Yamraj, Jignat and Chitragupta. So let me invite them here. सब लोग इधर characters. The first scene starts here. Please give them a big round of applause.
okay so clap for them
Dubai and who else?
I am talking about myself idiot you are pressing Dubai
Hi, you are the Don of Dubai. After the bomb blast, you ran away in fear from Dubai to Mumbai. By the way, do you live in Mumbai?
They will know. Ha 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 ha. I have promised to kill a home minister. After killing the minister, the whole Mumbai will know who am I. The terror of Bhaidon will among police.
whose phone is ringing no one's phone will ring here except mine
Actually, your phone that is ringing.
Hello? I'm a Bhai Don, the Don of Mumbai. And who are you?
Namaskar, big brother. Namaskar, big brother. Is it good time to talk to you?
I don't identify you. Who the hell are you?
If you are not busy, then I want to meet you and talk to you. Are you free? And if you are not free, then I will talk to you tomorrow.
I don't pick myself without appointment. Get to the point. I have very less time.
You are right. You are right, Bhai Don, that you are very less time.
I am saying the same thing. You idiot. Why are you repeating me?
I am also telling you that you have very less time because your time is soon.
Someone is treating me on the phone. If you have courage, then you come in front of me.
Okay, brother, I will come in front of you after some time.
He is talking to come to the adda. Who are you talking?
My name is Yamraj. Yamraj.
Hello. Spread everywhere. No one should intervene. Increase the security. Even if the bird will come, you kill him.
Bhai, but why would a bird come close?
I am thinking to shoot or slap you.
थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता, प्यार से डर लगता है। भाई डॉन,
थप्पड़। He don't know me. Who am I? I'm a Bhai Don.
Maharaj, this is the same place where you will take the soul of Dawn. This is Bhai Don. Namaste, Bhai Don.
How are you coming?
You called me on phone and they told me that come in front of me and talk to me. That's why I am here to talk to you. You were scared after seeing me here suddenly. My name is Yamraj.
I don't scare to anyone. Yamraj, which one gave you a contract to kill me?
No one give me contract to kill you. This is my duty and I am here to bring your soul. That's why I am here.
It means you have come to kidnap me?
No, you are misunderstanding. This is Lord of Death. उठाइए ना, उठाइए ना, उठाइए ना, उठाइए ना।
Yes, Digna.
Hello. Yes, Digna, I am here to taking a soul and you are interrupting me in my important work. Why?
Listen, Swami, I was making halwa and suddenly I remembered you. Let's ask whether you will eat salty or sweet. But it is not been 2 years of marriage and you forget me. You don't love me. Why?
No, Digna. This is not like that. Means I love you so much and I love you so much. This is not like that you thinking.
Okay, listen, if you love me and say I love you.
Okay, I love you, Digna. And can I take a soul right now? Put down the phone. Put down the phone. Otherwise, I'll shoot you. Raise your hand. You are definitely a man of weakness, right? He is the enemy. You are the man of weakness, right? I am not the man of weakness, right? I am not the man of weakness, right? She is my wife, and I have get married with her.
Married? With Ignace wife? Then how are the children?
अरे पापा, this Jignesh Bai. It's Jigna Bai. She is very beautiful lady of the world.
उठाइए ना, उठाइए ना, उठाइए ना।
Don't pick up the phone, otherwise I'll definitely shoot you.
By dawn, I have to pick up the call because this call from my wife Jigna. And if I not pick up the call, then she will kill me. This wife is something like that. She did not give chance to leave ये पत्नियां भी ना चैन से जीने देती है, ना चैन से मरने देती है। भाई क्या आपकी शादी हो चुकी है?
No, I am not married.
This is a very
Maharaj, I have to go meet my friend. Please give me permission.
you go. Hello.
Hey, hello, listen. I told you bring a vegetable.
I have. Hello.
I have bring all these things like potato and so many vegetables, carrots, ladies and so many things. So why are you telling me that I have forgotten anything?
Paneer? Where is paneer? Today will I cook vegetable of butter paneer without paneer?
Sorry, but I forgot, Jigna.
Yes, yes.
I will. कहाँ से बोल रही है भाई? Take paneer with me.
Yes, yes. One day you will also forget me.
Hello. No, this is not like that, Jigna.
अरे देख लेना अभी ना हो।
I am sorry, my brother. I am sorry, big brother. But I have to go for an urgent work. My wife is calling me to take paneer because she made paneer recipe today. So here is someone paneer shop.
Paneer?
You leave, brother. I will take it myself. Okay, and I will meet you after some time.
We have seen that Yamraj has come to earth for taking the soul of the mere human being, Bhaidon. He is very scared of Yamraj that he will take the soul of him. So, while Yamraj was about to take the soul of Bhaidon, he got a call from his wife, Jigna, and she was mad on him for not taking care of her and also forgetting things. So Yamraj got busy in that, and due to that, he wasn't able to take the life of Bhaidon, and he has to go from there. So now let us see in the second scene what happens here. Now let me introduce the characters of the second scene, which are Mohini, Shikshika, Chota Bachcha, and Dusra Bachcha. The scene here is of Swarg, and it is based in a classroom in which a teacher is playing a drama with her children. So give them a big round of applause.
हेलो
I have become enchanted by the beauty of you all. Please look me and bless me.
Wow, very beautiful, Mohini. You have portrayed the character of Menka very well. So, dear students, now Mohini is chosen as a Menka. So it's a boy's turn. to play the character of Vishwamitra. Menka Amang will you have speak the dialogue. हे प्रिय, तुम इस संसार की सबसे सुंदर स्त्री हो. मैं तुमसे विवाह कर तुम्हारे जीवन को धन्य करना चाहता हूँ. मैं तुम्हें स्वर्ग लोक से धरती पे लाना चाहता हूँ और मैं तुम्हारे जीवन को धन्य करना चाहता हूँ. So after this you hold the Menka's hand in your hand. So who wants to play the Vishwamitra character?
I am coming.
I have to go. You are a kid. Okay?
Leave it. Why are you holding his hand?
Ma'am, you said that you will hold the Menka's hand.
Are you mad? Before this I asked you, no? You first play the dialogue. So who said the dialogue?
Sorry, ma'am.
माइक में बोलो. माइक में ऊपर करो माइक. भूल गया.
Stop it! How many times I tell you? कि come to the class after P.
Ma'am, it's not actually I forget my dialogue.
Okay, students, class is over. So now go to your home and memorize your dialogue. And in the evening, we all are together here. Okay, fine. Go to the class. Class is over now.
माइक को लगा के बोलो ना.
No, this is very easy. Only put the hand.
Action नहीं है.
Put the hand up.
इसको होल्ड करना चाहिए था तभी ना कोई छोड़ा दो.
मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
मजा नहीं आ रहा थोड़ा.
This is very hard.
मेरा कैमरामैन बनने का मेहनत भी बर्बाद हो गया.
The dialogue.
हे प्रिय, तुम इस दुनिया की सबसे खूबसूरत स्त्री हो. मैं तुमसे विवाह करके तुम्हारा उद्धार करना चाहता हूँ. तुम्हें स्वर्ग लोक से धरती लोक में लाना चाहता हूँ. तुम्हारे जीवन को धन्य करना चाहता हूँ.
बोलता है रियली नाइस रे. रियल नाइस उसको बोलता है मुंह टेढ़ा करके भाग जाता है.
इसको ना फिर से बात कराएंगे.
So guys, as you all saw in the second scene of our drama, that it is based in a classroom in which the play of Vishwamitra and Mohini is being played. So, what do you think? Who will get the role of Vishwamitra? Himmat Raj or Thekan Raj? So now let us move forward and see what Yamraj and Bhaidon is doing, and if he is able to take the soul of Bhaidon or not. So give them a big round of applause for the characters Bhaidon, Jigna, Chaman Lal and Magan Lal.
बढ़िया से रिकॉर्ड करना. अच्छा सीन है. माइक दे दिया उनको.
इधर आओ. तुम्हारा कैरेक्टर भी नहीं ना है. जाओ बोतल है पानी ले आओ. बोतल ले आओ. नीचे चेयर के नीचे.
वहाँ पे नीचे देखो. चेयर के नीचे.
ढक्कन खोलो.
I am here for your protection.
Get up from here. Do you need protection in the toilet? You are standing here silently.
तुम बोलेगा रे. इतना लोग बोल रहा है तुम नहीं बोल रहे.
What are you doing? Don't get bothered and do your work properly.
उठाइए ना.
उठाइए ना, उठाइए ना।
फिर से पत्नी का कॉल, फिर से पत्नी का कॉल। हेलो, हाँ जीना, लेकिन सुनो, किंतु सुनो,
परंतु मेरी बात तो सुनो। हेलो, किंतु परंतु
उसके बाद तुम बैठ जाओ। क्या
brother, are you married?
No, no, I'm not married.
This is a very good, this is a very large happiness to bring a guy as a bachelor. That's why you are so happy.
Haidon was doing his business in the toilet when Yamraj arrived there out of nowhere and scared Haidon. So, and then Yamraj was interrupted by a call from his wife again, and he was again unable to take the soul of Haidon. So now let us move forward to the fourth scene of our drama and see that what happens in Yamraj's personal life. So give them a big round of applause to the characters which are Yamraj, Jigna, Dusra Bachcha and Sharmila. The scene here is of Yamraj ka Bharat. Give them a big round of applause.
Say to Dhobi.
I understand everything. That I have to tell Ruby that he have to wash it separately because colors are fallen from the sari, and if he did not take it, if he did not, if he will not wash it properly, then it is not good. So I will tell Ruby that he has to wash it.
Yes, yes. You have paid the same. Okay.
बहुत कम कराए भाई।
Well, Patel, I have not time.
I want to ask a question for you. There is two boys in a class A and B, and he likes a name who is B. But he talks with him as a friend, and his name is Idris, he is poor. Then tell me the solution.
What nonsense. I think so. Your school should be changed. Don't waste my time. Your nonsense. Go.
I see. Oh, Peter, you look like. Yeah, right. What is the difference?
Thanks him.
मेन कैमरा मैन हम ही है। हमको परमिशन मिला है।
Oh, thank you, auntie. But today you look like very beautiful, so I don't want to call you auntie.
Oh, thanks him. Such a really cute boy. Everyone, you look like everyone praised me. Take another 50 rupees and enjoy.
Thank you so much, auntie.
Oh, hello Jigna. How are you? Look at this, how much it's beautiful.
आनंद भैया, आनंद भैया।
Bought new sari. Yes, I bought it new sari full of 10,000 rupees. I will also buy
आनंद भैया।
in sale and in next month in 5,000 rupees. Oh, you buy it in sale,
वाली
and you
भेज
know
लेगा।
Mr.
बीच में सुनिए ना,
like
सुनिए।
sale sari at all that.
बीच में थोड़ा रोस्ट रोस्ट
The team of Yamraj will not credit.
अभी जा रहे थे मामा, लेकिन फिर सो गया program।
When he is sitting remaining 1 month, then I will buy my sari. Okay, Jigna, let's don't forget it and take it some eat and eat. Bye, Jigna.
And I am so hungry today. इसको बैठना है।
I'm so hungry today. Give me some food to eat.
कपड़ा
Take it and put it in your mouth. Too slow movement.
Jigna, today, yesterday you also made pakora, and also today, why?
You have seen this study for body, but you have not seen this study sari, right?
I think Sarmina also came here today, and she told you about sari. That's why you were telling me that I have to I can buy sari. Okay.
Hey,
I
Chatu.
think I have
Chatu.
to take up high down song immediately.
कौन है नित्या कौन है ये कौन है ये मम्मी नहीं आई है
I
मम्मी नहीं
think I have to eat. I think I have to take bhai down salt immediately. Otherwise, I will eat pakora every day. I don't want to eat pakora every day, so I will take it salt immediately. Chutney.
So guys, that was the fourth scene of our drama, Yamraj Benador, in which you saw that what Yamraj is dealing with in his house. He is unable to eat fresh food, and he is also, and his wife is also giving him the rotten food, as she is jealous that she is not getting a new sari. So Sharmila came and she overshowed her sari in front of Jigna, and Jigna felt jealous. So that's why Yamraj is always tensed in his life. So now let us move forward to the fifth scene of our drama, in which we are going to see who gets the role of Vishwamitra. So let me introduce the characters to you, which are Shikshika, Chota Bachcha, Dusra Bachcha, and Sushma. The scene here is of 12. Give them a big round of applause.
हे प्रिय, तुम इस दुनिया की सबसे खूबसूरत स्त्री हो। मैं तुमसे विवाह कर तुम्हारा उद्धार करना चाहता हूँ। तुम्हें स्वर्ग लोक से धरती लोक पर लाना चाहता हूँ। तुम्हारे जीवन को धन्य करना चाहता हूँ।
Very good, Feku. You did very well. So now it's your turn. Come and say the dialogue.
तुम इस दुनिया की सबसे खूबसूरत स्त्री हो। मैं तुमसे विवाह करके तुम्हारा उद्धार करना चाहता हूँ। मैं तुम्हें स्वर्ग लोक से धरती लोक ले जाना चाहता हूँ।
मोहिनी वाला डायलॉग लगा
तुम्हारे जीवन को धन्य करना चाहता हूँ।
Wow, very beautiful. Very well. So it's now decided. Hemu will be play the character of Vishwamitra. So, but a small
आपका भी एक गजब रहा है यार
Mohini is ill, so we have choose Shushma for the character of Shushma. Shushma, come on the stage.
Mohini.
Hello, Hemu. How are you?
Menka the character she is. So guys, let us now move forward to the sixth scene of our drama, which is also the final scene. And here we are going to see if Yamraj is able to take the life of Bhaidon or not. In this drama, we are going to see the finale and see that good is always prevailing over bad. So let me introduce the characters here, which are Daroga Ji, Sipahi, and Bhaidon and Yamraj. So let us invite them here with a big round of applause.
out to the Yoga?
No, sir.
Then who is in the police? You look less of the heart.
Yes, sir. I am from in Champaran.
That's why I think this won't happen only in the heart.
Yes, sir.
But
दरोगा जी put me in a prison because it is the safest place. No one can kill me. Even the God will not come here. Then how will Yamraj come and how will he took my soul?
hey, hey, who are you? Are you crazy? And how did you come here?
You don't know me. Who am I? I am a Bhai Don. Don of Mumbai. The whole Mumbai is fear to me. I have done 20 murders and 30 kidnapping and so many more. Put me in the prison. I need police protection.
Cat Lord, I don't know where these crazy people come from.
If you will not put me in the prison, then the man will kill me.
Sir, he was roasting before. Now he is scared himself. I think he is mental.
I don't scare to anyone. You don't understand. When I am explaining it to you, put me in the prison.
कहाँ से कर दिख रहा है उधर जाना पड़ेगा
Your father will lock the gate. Take your gun. And now you understand how am I danger.
Sala pagal. He got him to fight and I thought that he come to in-law. Let the crazy guy stay safe.
No one can touch me here. No, the man will not kill me here.
My God, your time is about to end now. Yamraj Baradol. So guys, as you all saw that the drama has ended and the conclusion has come here that good always prevails over the bad and Yamraj is the final boss of the whole world. No one is above Yamraj. So now, let me give you some brief. जीवन की नियति यही है. जीवन में उतार चढ़ाव, सुख दुख आते रहते हैं. जीवन में मरण आते रहते हैं और सबकी मृत्यु तय है. लेकिन हमें इससे घबराए बिना कर्म करते हुए आगे बढ़ना है. नियति का मतलब है नियत यानी कि इरादा और कर्म यानी कि काम से जुड़ा हुआ है, जिससे मेहनत, उम्मीद और सही दिशा में चलने की जीवन का सार है. जीवन में बहुत ऐसे क्षण हमारी जिंदगी में आते हैं जिसपे हम पूरे डिमोटिवेट हो जाते हैं, लेकिन हमें उससे आगे बढ़ना है क्योंकि हर एक रात के बाद उजाला हमेशा होता है. तो ये रहा हमारे ड्रामा यमराज बना डॉन का और सभी लोग तालियों से हमारे सारे किरदार का यहाँ पर स्वागत करेंगे.
عندي خوش فاصوال يا اخي تفوز تفوز والله خوش يا اخي تفوز تفوز عندي خوش
सर 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 को भी ले लो सर को
خطبها نصين مدلك كلمه بتعطيها بكف وهز شكلك خليك شديد عطيها اكسب فريسه زيد عليها
यमराज जी भी डांस कर रहा है क्या
यमराज जी मर गए
हाँ भाई यमराज जी का समय हो गया है ना
جيب لي واحد كراك يلا بيا طق سيارة بوليس يلا يلا شوقي
ये सब चीज होता है
ولا سرتك تفوز عندي خوش فاصوال يا اخي تفوز تفوز والله خوش يا اخي تفوز تفوز عندي خوش فاصوال يا اخي تفوز تفوز